Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I have the Shirogorov F3R here with me for a quick review. This is a very cool knife, guys. 8.75 inch long blade and 5 inch long handle. Beautiful liner lock, carbon fiber inlays, really cool finish to this guy. This is the R version, not the NS version. So there's some little differences compared to the latest model, but still, this is an amazing one, guys. 3.75 inch long blade, M390 steel, flat grind, beautiful shape. Come on, this is the unmistakable Shirogorov blade shape, and the sound. Beautiful. Look at this. This is the F3 sound, especially when running on multi-row bearings. Great feel in the hand. One of the best knife ergos, I have to say. It's just almost perfect, guys. Really cool. 4.7 ounces weighting in the pocket. Great fit and finish. Zero hot spots. Super smooth action, guys. Look at this. How smooth can a knife be? But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.